What's happening, Kevin? Welcome back to channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are over here at Harley Davidson of the Woodlands for the Viclas and Baggers event, man, hosted over here by DJ Nando. And so yeah, man, we're gonna come check it out. I'll show you exactly what's going on. And I know the boys Show Off Cycles is here as well, so we're gonna check them out, man, giving them a little support, and we'll see what's crack-a-lacking. So let's get it. That's legit, man. So what you got going on today?
Bro, we're chilling right now. You know, just released the merch.
Yeah.
Can only get it here. Once it's gone, it's gone.
It's gone, huh? That's it. That's it.
Yeah, Viclas and Baggers.
That's DJ Nando in the house.
DJ Nando's cooking it up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. It's good to see y'all. Hey, man, like I said in the last video, if you didn't watch it, man, if y'all ain't following Show Off Cycles, man, y'all need to go and give them a follow. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, they got it all going on,
yeah. Appreciate it,
so y'all go give them a follow, man. They got some good shit. They're at all the events, bro. Y'all be hitting all the events, man. Yeah. So it's legit.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
May 18th, that's Doug Harley.
Doug Harley Davidson.
Be out there.
Right on. Selling merch too?
Selling merch.
Got it, man.
Hats, koozies.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. So hey, y'all go give them a follow. Link be down below, man. Go check them out. Let them know Knuckles sent you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, baby.
Hey, I'll see y'all later.
See ya. Hey man, your boy stopped by Show Off Cycles, man. Show some support. You always support the locals, man. Help them out. Look, check it out, check it out. Go on, open that up for me, man. Show them what we got. Show them what we got.
OGSC.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's the front? What's the front?
Fire. It was a smaller emblem.
Hell yeah, man. Hey.
Support.
And then you say hats and other designs are coming out on the next show, right?
Hats, koozies, more stickers.
More stickers. Oh yeah, I got the sticker. Check it out.
Come by the tent, ask for a sticker, we got ya.
Cool, man, cool.
Sure.
Hey, make sure you support the locals, man. Good people out here, man, good people. So, until next time, bro.
Next time.
Catch y'all the next one.
Safe.
Hell yeah, man. We'll see y'all. All right, let's get buck. We're over here, Harley Davidson of the Woodlands. So if you know, Kingwood and Harley Davidson sister stores, they closed Kingwood down, but they brought all their inventory from there to here. So if you've been following the channel for a little bit, man, and especially the 1,000-mile run with crew, you know that we did that, and we had one of the guys, Big Sarge, had done it with us. He traded his bike in, and guess what? It's here for sale. This is Sarge's old bike, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous bike. He got that new 24 Road Glide. Tell you something, man. That thing is clean too, but his old bike, it's fucking clean too. Look here. Yes, sir. Sarge. There she is, buddy. There she is. So let's go check out, see what else they got in here, man. that's it, man. We're about to head out, so I appreciate y'all watching, man. It was good to see everybody that was here, show a little support for everybody, man. Make sure y'all go check out Show Off Cycles, man. I'm telling you, they're great people out. So just go check them out, man. Give them a follow and let them know Knuckles sent you over. So until next time, until next event, man. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.